Hi, I'm Danny from Harlan Fairbanks, and today we're going to show you how to replace your motor gearbox in your Ugolini visual slush machine. The only tools you'll require to change the motor are your multi-screwdriver and a pair of pliers. Before proceeding, make sure your machine is unplugged. Step 1. With your Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws on the bottom right-hand side panel. Remove panel by pulling outward from the bottom and then lifting up. Remove the 2 thumb screws on the left-hand side panel and remove panel by pulling outward and then lifting up. Here you will find your dust filter. If it's dirty, please clean by shaking it off and rinsing with water. If you can, turn the machine around so you can see the back of the machine. Remove the back panel. It will be free now. It is held on by the 2 side panels. Next, remove the circular motor cover by unscrewing the 2 large flat screws, securing it to the machine. Make sure to retain the white motor collar spacer, which is in the center of the motor cover inside. Locate the 2 power wires and the ground wire removed from motor. On the upper left-hand side of the motor gearbox, you will see a spring and plastic collar. Remove by pushing down and pulling backward. Pay attention to the position of the plastic collar as it has a slide that fits onto the molded section for proper placement. Now gently pull the motor back out of the machine. Be careful to ensure clearance between the motor and the switch on the right-hand lower side of the motor gearbox. Prepare the new motor by applying a small amount of lubrication to the motor shaft. Petrogel works well. Now install the motor by lining up the shaft with the hole where the old motor came out of. Gently wiggle the new motor into place. Again, watch for clearance on the right side switch. If the motor did not go in fully, rotate the armature on the motor by hand to align the motor. Hook up the ground wire as well as the 2 power wires. Polarity does not affect operation. Now with the motor fully engaged, replace the tension spring and the plastic collar. Ensure that the plastic collar is lined up with the molded slide section and the silver screw on the collar is seated in the cut-out section. Replace the motor cover, ensuring that the white motor spacer is in place in the back of the cover. The cover will fit neatly into the matching section of the machine. Replace the 2 large plastic flathead screws you removed earlier. Tighten only firmly. Replace the rear panel of the machine and the 2 side panels in reverse order that you took them off. You are now finished. You've just replaced a motor gearbox in your Ugolini visual slush machine.